And that takes about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 crystals or 12 rhinestones. And then I just want to cut it and make 2 of them. This to me gave a much cleaner look. Now the only thing, I won't be putting a black wig band on this because you'll be able to see it, right? Let's put, and I'm not going to put a whole lot of glue because I don't want it to really pop through because it's open. Another way, because now I'm seeing some glue on my plastic, is just to put the glue directly on the rhinestones. Glue gun is so much fun, guys. There's so much you could do with a glue gun. I was in here yesterday mapping out some new ideas for my tie backs, and all I can tell you is the possibilities are endless. Put a couple. I don't put too much. All right, let's see how that works.